Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So here we can use Excel as a calculator. So here I will show you. Yesterday I was talking about the cell reference. So today I'm gonna clear about the cell reference. Cell reference is about whenever you are just calling a one cell, second cell to the another cell. So here I will show you. So see, if I'm just giving this, and here I'm just calling the reference this one, and I'm just adding this one and taking the another cell reference, so it will give me the output. So here is the output. You can use Excel as a calculator. So if we go with this one and minus, and here you got the result. Either you can select, either you can write as well as true. So if I'm gonna write with the B10, so it will give us the output. So here is the simple. Thanks for watching. On the upcoming videos we will talk about the relative and the absolute reference. If you like this video, please share with your friends.